Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to apply student annual card in Dubai. First, you will need to go to the official website of RT. When you go to the official website of RT, this is the official website of Dubai government. When you go to the official website, then you will see this type of interface. Here at the top, you will see few options. Go to the option of public transport, then select annual. When you select annual, few options will appear on the right side. Select the option of choose annual. Then you will see this type of interface. Here in this case we select the option of personal card. When you click on personal card, this type of interface will appear on your screen. So select the terms and conditions of the card very carefully. When you see the terms and conditions of the card very carefully, then you will need to click on the apply now option. When you click on apply now, then the official on-screen instructions will appear on your screen. So follow the on-screen instructions provided on the official website of Dubai government. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.